everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn French with I. Bonjour et bienvenue on Learn French with I. So today's topic is French numbers from 1 to 100. So let's start with this without wasting any time. I have written all the spellings in the description box so that you won't miss any spelling. So let's start with this. Okay. Trente-trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, vingt, vingt-et-un, vingt-deux, vingt-trois, vingt-quatre, vingt-cinq, vingt-six, vingt-sept, vingt-huit, vingt-neuf, trente, trente-et-un, trente-deux, trente-trois, trente-quatre, trente-cinq, trente-six, trente-sept, trente-huit, trente-neuf, 40. So similarly, you just have to add 1 to 9 numbers with every tens of it. Like with 20 you just have to add 1 to 9 number, with the 30 you have to add the similar ones, and so on. So let's practice over 40 numbers. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, now 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, that means 60, that means 60. Okay, let's start with the above 60 number. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Yes, that's it. For the 70, we don't have any number. We just have the little math, like 60 plus 10 equals to 70. So it's 70. 70. Okay. Now we have the above 70 number. So where we have left, I think it was 70. 70. For the 70, we have added 60 plus 10. For the 71, we will be adding 60 plus 11 and so on. So this is the main wording, like 60 plus 11, that means 71. That means it is 71. Exactly. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, dix-sept, 78, 79, and then we have, I'll tell you what we have. First, notice that 60 plus we have added 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So this becomes our 70 plus 72, 79. So these define 70 to 79. Okay, now we have the 80th. For the 80th one, we are not adding 60 plus 20. We are multiplying now. Exactly. We are multiplying now. I know, it's a lot complicated. Now we are multiplying it. What we are multiplying it? 4 into 20. And what do we call 4? That means katr and 20. Katr. Exactly. 4 multiplied by 20 equals to 80. So what we call 80 in French is quatre. Quatre. Yes. And so on. Now if 80 is quatre, okay, so 81. So if 80 is quatre, then 81 to 89 will be in that order too. So let's start with this also. Quatre-vingt-un, quatre-vingt-deux, quatre-vingt-trois, quatre-vingt-quatre, quatre-vingt-cinq, quatre-vingt-six, quatre-vingt-sept, quatre-vingt-huit, quatre-vingt-neuf, and now we have quatre-vingt-dix. Quatre-vingt-dix. If quatre-vingt-dix is 90, then 91 to 99 will be in the same order as 90. As similar was 81 to 89 was in the same order as 80, and 71 to 79 was in the same order as 70. So if you know that tens of all the things, you know that how to add number in it. Like if you know 80, you can easily add 81 to 89. If you know 90, you can easily make 91 to 99. And similarly, if you know 30, 40, 50, 60, you will easily know the other numbers also. Okay, now where were we? 90. 90 is quatre-vingt-dix. So 91 will be quatre-vingt-onze. Exactly, quatre-vingt-onze. Now quatre-vingt-douze, like, okay, fine. 91 is quatre-vingt-onze, 92 is quatre-vingt-douze, quatre-vingt-treize, quatre-vingt-quarante, sorry, quatre-vingt-quatorze, quatre-vingt-quatorze, quatre-vingt-quinze, quatre-vingt-seize, quatre-vingt-dix-sept, quatre-vingt-dix-huit, quatre-vingt-dix-neuf, and now we have so that means 100. So 100. And also to add on, if 100 is 100, then 1000 is mille. If 100 is 100, then 1000 is mille. And if you want to say your date of birth, like I want to say not just date of birth, if you want to say any date, for example, let's say 2021. So what will be the mille vant-ay-uh? That means 2021. The mille vant-ay-uh. So these are the 1 to 100 numbers. Then one should know all of these. Just practice them and you will get the ace of it. You just need to understand the tens of it, that how we are adding and sometimes multiply and sometimes doing both. So if you know that tens of it, you will easily add 1 to 9 numbers in it and you can easily have a hold on it. So practice them, guys. If you have any question, you can write in the comment section or you can mail it to me also. And also you can write it to me on the Instagram also. And also I have a daily vocabulary series on Instagram and sometimes I post on YouTube also to enhance your vocabulary. So make sure you watch. It's just a short videos like 10 to 15 seconds in which you will learn a new word every day. So make sure you watch it also. And you can follow me on Instagram also. I have the same handle as Learn French with I. So stay tuned. Bye.